Okay, this is Joseph, and we're here to talk about the current BuildTogether.com RV. Right now you can still get these instructions, a PDF file, on the website www.buildtogether.com. They have many different models, but we particularly like the RVs, and this is the model this year that you can build. It's got the orange and reddish brown and white pattern. This is the one from 2009. We did a review on it earlier with the green and the lime and the white. It has a little more details than the older version. We do like the colors on this new one. It uses a different technique for building it, but they're both nice RVs to build, add to your collection, or just to build for fun like we did. And I'll turn it around again. See the back of both of them. Have different windows. They both have spare tires. Where's the spare tire on this one? The spare tire on this one's on the front, on the older model, and the newer model has the spare tire on the back. The newer model just has little yellow flat tiles, or not tiles, but plates, round plates for headlights, whereas that one has the clear, what do you call those, radar dishes with a translucent yellow plate under it. So that's what we got, these two. This one, the top, I think, comes off a little easier where you can put your guides in it.
The other one, the top, has like a little
studs,
and it's bigger.
Oh, okay, it's bigger.
More of the inside on it.
So you can get into it a lot easier than the other one. Oh, and what else does it have? This one has a better control panel.
Yeah.
Than the other one. Same steering wheel with a better control. I think this one's got better leg room. Let's compare it. Take the top of that one off. Yeah, it's hard to get your hands down in there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's look at the leg room here.
Barely.
Yeah, they got the seats pushed all the way up on this one, and there's not much details as far as the control panel. Like the colors, but the minifigures still fit in there, but it's a little harder to get to them. This one, it is easier to get to them. And you have to add your own seats in the back. I guess they use this for hauling cargo.
Yeah.
Instead of camping. So since we can't afford a real RV, we build little Lego RVs. These are the current ones. So this is the one that you can see. Get it. Download the PDF now, because I haven't been able to find the old one on that website, but this one is still current on the www.buildtogether.com.